Hi, I'm State Representative Roger Goodman from the 45th District, and I'm coming to you from my legislative office here at the Capitol building in Olympia. I hear frequently from constituents from the 45th District about matters that concern them, frequently related to bills before the legislature. But I also hear from constituents of personal problems that we can solve either through legislation or through other means. And I wanted to tell you a story about one in particular. A mother contacted me about her child who has adrenal insufficiency. The adrenal gland does not produce enough cortisol, the substance that would be necessary to respond to a trauma or a broken bone. And so the child would be at risk of going into shock or dying without a certain medication that the child needs in an emergency. Unfortunately, when the ambulance shows up, the emergency medical technicians are not legally authorized to administer this drug. And so the constituent approached me to see what we can do about this because she's concerned that her child might be in a situation, might be injured, and the adrenal gland wouldn't be responding normally and the child would need this medication. So how can we get the emergency medical technicians to give the medication? We've tried to do this legislatively, but there are a number of different obstacles. So we're going to be working with the State Department of Health to see if we can develop a protocol or a process by which these ambulances could hold the medication on the ambulance to make sure that it would be there in case of an emergency, and also that the emergency medical technicians were authorized to administer this drug, literally to save a life. And there are quite a number of children in the district and in our area who have this syndrome, this disease, and children who have other diseases as well that require similar responses from ambulances. So it's been a very interesting case to work on. We're not there yet, and I'm really hoping that I can address this mother's concern and make sure that she knows that her child is safe and has the medication necessary at hand in case of an emergency. This is just one example of the kind of questions and concerns I get from constituents, and try to solve them the best I can. And so I encourage you to do the same. If there's an issue that's important to you, certainly related to legislation before us, or if there's a personal problem or a case that we can handle for you, I strongly encourage you to contact us either by email or by telephone, or you can request a personal meeting with me. I enjoy meeting constituents, particularly when I'm in the district. And you'll be getting another update from me very soon. Thanks for the honor of representing you.